How to add a collaborator in Google Form. Now in order to add collaborators in Google Form, you just simply need to open your Google Form where you would like to add the collaborator. And after that, you will get to see this Head and Shoulders icon with a plus button. Just simply tap into that after opening your Google Form, and then it will open this page for you. Now in this page, you just simply need to enter the email address of either a person or a group to add as a collaborator. For example, I will be adding a random email address, for example, 123@gmail.com, and you just simply need to select the email address of your collaborator. Then after that, you can change the role for them, either responder or editor. So just simply do that and add a message if you want to add for them and tap to send button. And whenever they receive the email address, they need to accept the collaboration request in the email, and after that, your collaboration will start. This way you can very easily collaborate with somebody in Google Forms. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.